Hello everyone, good evening. Today we have Jyoti Kadam with us. She was the founder of Saksham Foundation and also she was honored by Samaj Ratna Award in 2020. And she is the president of Sakhi Mahila Mandal and she owns by Tanish Tutorials. So let's start. Being a such a position, what kind of problem did you face with women's come with?
First of all, thank you for my introduction. Many problems are there, like we can see as a socialist, I can see many issues, many problem women are facing, like domestic violence, dowry cases, rape cases, and most of the cases are domestic violence cases, rape cases we can see nowadays. So these are the most common cases we facing and we trying to help them with this.
Okay, fine. What action do you take in that problem? Have you tried to solve them?
Yes, definitely. This is our duty to solve these cases and solve their problems. For like I said earlier also, domestic violence and rape cases are the most common cases we are suffering, we are seeing. So we try to solve them by giving them a proper guidance, proper counseling, and if they needed a police protection, police help, definitely we provide that also. And most of thing we try to sort it out by counseling, that only.
Yeah, that's right. Action speaks louder than words.
Yeah, right.
As we know, you have achieved Samaj Ratna Award. So what were your deeds?
Okay. Samaj Ratna Award is the most important thing for me because it changed my prospect and changed it's my mind for social work. When we got this Samaj Ratna Award in this 2020, many people recognized us in a very positive way. Many people come to know about Saksham Foundation, our deed, what we do. So it's a very big achievement for us, and this Samaj Ratna Award is totally for helping a Samaj. So we really honored with this Samaj Ratna Awards, and this is most honoring thing for us to helping other peoples.
Wow, that's appreciating.
Thank you.
When you work for women with A, what common problems you face?
Okay. Common problem we face is like when we go on a field and we see this people, their families, they are coming with their problem, they are discussing with us. But thing is that when we come to conclusion, some families, some ladies take back step. They are not ready to come forward. So we like helping them. We are trying to helping them in many ways. But at the last moment when they do back step, that is the most disappointing thing. So this is the most common problem all actually social worker are facing nowadays.
Do you feel women are dependent on their families or they are independent? What are your opinion?
Nowadays, as a modern era is going on, we are in 20th century. So I don't think that women are dependent. We can see nowadays women are in a very high speed up. We can say they are in politics, they are in all things. They are driving. They are pilot. And in politics also we can see many women are very much active. So I don't think they are dependent on any other or any family members. They're fully independent. They are working women. So I think they are totally independent. They don't need any dependent on others.
Do you think that Thane is safe for women right now, being day or night?
Yes, absolutely. As I am a Thanekar, I myself from last 30 years I'm staying in Thane. So I don't think that our Thane is unsafe because we can see in Thane as compared to other city, other state. We know, we also heard earlier about this Hathras rape cases also. But thing is that our Thane is most, not Thane, our Mumbai is most safer city, we can say state also. Because in Thane, anyone, not even girl or child, we can say anyone can roam at night also. As we know, Mumbai is a dream city. It's the most popular city. We can roam at 12, at 12:30. There is nothing like that. So I feel Mumbai and Thane is the most safer place.
Is there any need for women for protect themselves?
Yes, definitely. Protect, safety and precaution is very much needed for everyone, not for a woman, I can say. For safety and precaution, women can protect themselves by some defense, by learning some defense actions, by taking safety measures. Like from childhood only, we see that many girls are carrying small spray, paper spray with them, or they learning karate and all. So I think safety and precaution is most important. They should learn these things.
Actually, every girls and every woman has to do that.
Yes, definitely.
Does proper education and moral values will change men's perspective towards women?
See, in this, I can say moral education or moral value can change one's prospectus, but we can't say it's in right way or wrong way, because it's totally depend on that person how it's taking that education. Education is very important, but moral values how he taking is a different thing.
How do you empower women to take stand for herself when she is being exploited?
See, taking stand is very much important now. Like we are talking about this women issues and women's problems, so I can say that every woman should stand by them herself. She Now we can see many women are stand up alone, so I can say they need to be set up alone. They are alone, but they are more powerful. So I think women are most powerful person. So I think this is a needed.
What are your future plans regarding women welfare?
um, I have many more future plans regarding this women welfare. I can share some points with you. I can feel like more education is needed, because we can see many rural places in our India is there. People are not taking education. They are taking education is granted. So I think this not women education. Education should be compulsory to everyone, especially to a child education. And next thing I can say, for a woman, education is most important. My prospectus for a woman welfare is more job opportunity to them, because nowadays we can see job opportunity is there, but women are not ready to go there. So I feel future my planning to be like to give more job opportunity to women, and give them a more education, special to child educations. This is what my future plans. So let's see further about this.
Actually, that's what very appreciating, and you're doing such a good job. And I really hope that you just a better luck for your future plans. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.